Why, hello, my spooky friends. I just got a package from Lunar Beauty. Very excited. Can't wait to open it. Got a little card. When I placed my order, I had to get this palette. It's so pretty. Oop, run away. Look at those. This kawaii shade is so pretty. Those are lovely. But this is the exciting part. What do we got? Oh, it's so cute. Then they gave us a replacement shadow for day 9. It took everything I had not to post this yesterday, but October needs its time. So November 1st, let's go. Start off with the palette itself. I love the whole concept of putting it wherever you want, whatever makes sense to you. Let's do 1. Oh, I don't want to break the box. I love advent calendars. And normally I would wait until December, just do it day by day, but I want to be able to wear this throughout December and November. We got day 1. Oh, ooh. I do wish there were names on them on the bottom, but I guess we'll just call it day 1. Oh. Plop it right in. Boop. Day 2. I mean, really, if you want, you could probably just reuse the box, kind of. Oh, it's a pretty little eggplant color. Day 2. I will probably reorganize them after we're done. Put them how I like them. 3. It's like a yellowy gold. I know chances are I'm going to be fairly quiet in most of my talking videos. Not great with being in front of a camera. Even if I am just talking to myself. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that one. Anyway, my kid and my husband are home and I feel awkward talking with them here. That makes sense. Day 4. Hazelnutty brown. Manny, you child-proof these. Can't get into them. I'll do swatches when I'm done getting them all out too. Day 5. Nice champagne-y color. Day 6. Ooh, mustardy. Yes. So far, I'm loving the colors in this palette. Day 7. Like a bronzy gold with a pink shift. These shades look delicious. Already getting the palette dirty though. Day 8. I have the NYX advent calendar. Would you guys like to see a video on that, or should I just save that one for myself and do it throughout December? Oh. These are like some of my favorite colors. I love greens. And we'll do number 9, but they sent a replacement for number 9. So we'll open that one. I'll compare the two. Oh, it's a greeny gold. All right. That's the 9 that's in the calendar. And here's the 9 that they sent as a replacement. My box is a bit squished. Let's hope it's not busted. Hope it's good. Let's see, is there a difference in color? This is the 9 that was in the calendar, and that's the 9. This is the replacement. This is the one that was in the calendar. They are both quite pretty. I actually feel like I like the original best. I'm not going to complain. Yeah, I'll gladly take both of those. You did? A nice brown. Seems just a little bit lighter. Yeah, it's a little bit lighter. 11. It's like a pinky purple shimmer. And I'm guessing day 12 is another matte. Ooh, a black. Yay. If a palette has a black, I'm usually pretty happy. All right, I'm gonna rearrange these and be right back. All right, I tried to match up kind of the mattes and the shimmers with their like or opposite colors. Now I have to decide what look I'm gonna do. I don't want to do what everyone else is doing, but I also haven't watched any videos on anybody else, so I don't know what anybody else is doing. Kind of want to go with these. Going on with the yellow. Such a good shade. It's like a perfect mustardy color. Same brush and going in with this. A little bit more of the mustardy color. Gonna take a smaller brush and the black, just deepen it up. I'm filming this on Halloween, so I guess it's kind of a Halloween color, huh? Just shows that you could use this palette year-round. Yeah, this will definitely be a year-round palette for me. This is beautiful. Bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna take a shimmer. Let's see. Do I want to put this? Or do I want to go gold? I think the gold's too much. What about the champagne? I think I like this one. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh goodness. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then we'll finish up. Okay, I'm back. My eyes are done. Well, aside from mascara. I feel like they look really pretty. That was so easy. Those blended out like a dream. Let's put on some blush. What do we think? Go with the orangey, the blaze. Oop. Oop. Okay. be very blushy today. Actually, that's kind of cute. Alright, I'm not mad at that. I kind of want to use same shade that I put here as a highlight. Is that too much? Nope, not too much. Oh, yes. This is my first Manny palette, first Lunar Beauty palette, and I am not disappointed at all. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe eyeliner. What do we think? Kind of Fiery Fierce from the Avatar ColourPop collection, I think, for just a little bit. Yes. I love this Tartelette tubing mascara. It's beautiful. And it doesn't give me a headache. And I think finish it off with a little Lunar Beauty gloss in Divine. All right, finished look. What do we think? I think it is beautiful. I feel almost cute. Those were so easy to blend. Those shimmers are beautiful. I will put some swatches right here. The formulas are so soft and so easy to work with. It is quite lovely. Anyway, that is my video for today, reviewing the new Lunar Beauty Advent Calendar. I was very impressed. I hope that you enjoyed and that you will think about subscribing and stay spooky.